Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome back Murhari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration part 16. So now explain question number 1. Integral dx by root x plus a plus root x plus b. For this type of problems, so by using rationalization. Integral, so denominator rationalization, root x plus a plus root x plus b divided and multiplied by root x plus a minus root x plus b. So divided and multiplied by root x plus a minus root x plus b. This is going to be root x plus a minus root x plus b dx by, we have one formula, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, where a place in root x plus a, b place in root x plus b, root x plus a whole square minus root x plus b whole square. So root square get cancelled. Now in denominator, root x plus a minus root x plus b. In denominator, one x get cancelled. Okay, right, first x plus a minus 1 multiply with this one minus x minus b. 1x get cancelled. In this a minus b, 1 by a minus b constant. Therefore, 1 by a minus b constant. This is going to be root x plus a dx minus root x plus b dx. Root x plus a dx minus root x plus b dx. This whole into 1 by a minus b. So 1 by a minus b into integral root x plus a. So this is x plus a power 1 by 2. Now this integration is x plus a power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus this one also same, x plus b power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Let us go to the next problem. Integral under root 1 plus sin x by 2. Okay, we have 1 plus sin x by 2 formula. Integral plus sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 formula 2 sin x by 4 cos x by 4. We have sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Okay, in this sin x by 2, so this formula is 2 sin x by 4 cos x by 4. This one can be written as cos square x by 4 plus sin square x by 4. Okay, now under root, so by using a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, where a place in cos x by 4 and b place in sin x by 4. So cos x by 4 plus sin x by 4 whole square dx. Now root square get cancelled. So integral cos x by 4 dx plus integral sin x by 4 dx. This will be integral cos x by 4. Integral cosine function is sin x by 4. But integration of x by 4, derivative of x by 4, 1 by 4, integration is into 4. Because derivative integration both are reciprocals. Over. Next integral sin x by 4. So this will be minus cos x by 4. But derivative of x by 4, 1 by 4, integration is into 4. So this is nothing but 4 sin x by 4. So plus into minus minus 4 cos x by 4 plus c. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral cot inverse secant x minus tan x dx. How can you solve this problem? Okay, secant x minus tan x. We have secant x minus tan x formula. Secant x minus tan x is equal to tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Secant x plus tan x formula. Tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay. Now, integral cot inverse secant x minus tan x. This formula, we have tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. Okay. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. We have tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Okay. Cot inverse. This tan function convert into cotangent. So by using that formula, cot 90 minus this value, pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, this will be cot inverse cot. We have one property, f inverse of circle f of x is equal, f inverse of f of x is equal to x. Okay, this value will be pi by 2 minus 45 minus into minus plus pi by 2 minus 45, 90 minus 45 part 2 pi by 4. So minus into minus is plus. Have you understood? Cot inverse of cot 90 minus theta. So by using this formula, f inverse of f of x is equal to x. So cot inverse of cot x is equal to x. This is x. This will be pi by 4 constant, 1 dx value x plus 1 by 2 constant x dx. So x dx will be x square by 2. So x dx value x square by 2. Let us go to the next problem. So what is given? Integral dx by x plus x to the power 5. This value given, f of x plus c. Now we have to find x to the power 4 dx by x plus x to the power 5. So what is our target? Integral x to the power 4 dx by x plus x to the power 5. So this will be x to the power 4 dx by, in denominator one x take out common, 1 plus x to the power 4. Integral, right denominator right, x into 1 plus x to the power 4. On numerator, okay, on numerator one adding and subtraction. Now by using separate division method, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x into 1 plus x to the power 4 minus 1 by this total denominator. Next, what we get? Integral x to the power 4 plus 1 dx by denominator value x into x to the power 4 plus 1 minus 1 by, right denominator, minus 1 by x into x to the power 4 plus 1. In this x to the power 4 plus 1 get cancelled. Integral 1 by x. Integral 1 by x, we have formula log x minus integral dx by x into x to the power 4 plus 1. This value given from statement f of x plus c. Therefore log x minus f of x, minus constant right plus c dash. This is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral 1 plus tan x into tan x plus alpha dx. Okay, this type of problems. So let us take the relation between x and x plus alpha. We have x plus alpha minus x is equal to alpha. Okay, x get cancelled, alpha is equal to alpha. Now taking tangent on both sides. Tangent on both sides. Therefore, tan of x plus alpha minus x is equal to tan alpha. This would be, so by using tan A minus B formula, tan A minus B, we have tan A minus B formula, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B is equal to tan alpha, where A place in x plus alpha and B place in x substitute. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. But what is our target? 1 plus tan x plus alpha. 1 plus tan x into tan x plus alpha. So 1 plus tan x into tan x plus alpha, this will be, so by cross product, so tan x plus alpha minus tan x, this whole divided by tan alpha is equal to 1 plus tan x plus alpha into tan x. Okay, clear? What we got it? 1 plus tan x plus alpha tan x is equal to this value. Now our target is integration of this value. Okay, applying integration on both sides. Applying integration on both sides. Now integral 1 plus tan x alpha, tan x plus alpha, tan x dx is equal to, in this 1 by tan alpha constant, 1 by tan alpha constant, okay, integral first function minus as well as integral second function. We have 1 by tan alpha, integral tan function, integral tan theta is equal to log secant theta, integral tan theta is equal log secant theta, integral tan x plus alpha log secant x plus alpha, integral tan x, this formula is log secant x. So 1 by tan alpha into, this will be log A minus log B. Okay, log A minus log B, we have log A by B. Okay, this will be log A by B. So log of A by B. Log of A by B. This is the final answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral sin to the power 5x cos power 100 dx. How can solve this problem? Okay, integral sin to the power 5x. This can be written as sin to the power 4x into sin x into cos power 100x dx. Now I say that sin to the power 4, this can be written as sin square x whole square. Okay, so sin square x, we have 1 minus cos square x whole square into sin x into cos power 100x dx. So let us take cos x is equal to t. So this derivative minus sin x. So let us take cos x is equal to t. Now derivative on both sides. So derivative of cos x, we get minus sin x dx is equal to dt. This will be sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Therefore, okay, integral where cos x place in, we should write t, sin x dx value minus dt. So 1 minus t square whole square into t to the power 100. Okay, sin x dx. So sin x dx value, we got it minus dt. So minus 1, this minus 1 multiply with this one by using first a minus b whole square formula. So minus of, so a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus d square, b square is d square whole square minus 2ab into t to the power 100 dt. Now integral t to the power 100, this t to the power 100 multiply with 1 plus t to the power 4 minus t 2t square. So t to the power 100 into 1, t to the power 100 dt. So minus into plus minus, t power 4 into t power 100, t power 104 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 constant t power 102 dt. So minus, this will be integral t to the power 100. Okay, this will give us t power 101 by 101. So by using x to the power n formula, this is also t power 105 by 105. This is 2 into t power 103 by 103. In the place of t, we should write cos x. So this will be minus 101 into cos x power 101 minus 105, 1 by 105 into cos x power 105, 2 by 103 into cos x power 103. This is the final result. Let us go to the next problem. Integral 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 5 to the power x into 5 to the power x dx. So let us take this 5 to the power 5 to the power x is equal to t. Okay, so let us take 5 to the power 5 to the power x is equal to t. Okay, now taking logarithm on both sides. So log of 5 to the power 5 to the power x is equal to log t. Now we have to find dx. So now derivative on both sides. So this value, okay, first we have applying this formula log m to the power n. This formula is n log m. This 5 to the power x into log 5. Okay, so this is equal to 5 to the power x into log 5 is equal to log t. So now applying derivative on both sides. Log 5 constant, derivative of 5 to the power x. This will be 5 to the power x into log 5. So according to a to the power x formula, a to the power x into log 5. This will be log t 1 by t into dt. One by t into dt by dx. So derivative of log t 1 by t into dt by dx. Okay. First we have to find dx value. Dx is equal to 5 power x into dx. We need 5 power x into dx. 5 power x into dx is equal to dt by t times of, so log 5 whole square. So bring the right side, log 5 whole square, divide. Okay, integral 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 to the power x. This place we should write t. 5 to the power 5 to the power x, this value also t. This value we got it dt by t into log 5 whole square. In this one t get cancelled. 1 by log 5 whole square, this is constant, integral 5 to the power t dt. So this will be 1 by log 5 whole square. Integral 5 to the power t. Integral 5 to the power t is 5 power t into log 5 plus c. So this will be 5 to the power, where t relation we should write 5 to the power 5 to the power x by log 5 whole square into log 5 whole cube plus c. This is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral f of x g dash x minus f dash x g of x, this whole divided by f of x into g of x into log of g of x minus log of f of x. How can solve this problem? Okay, this logarithm function, let us take t. So let us take log of g of x minus log of f of x. So now applying derivative on both sides. So derivative of t, we get dt. Derivative of log function, derivative of log of g of x 1 by g of x, but derivative of g of x into g dash x by using chain rule, minus same log f of x derivative 1 by f of x, derivative of f of x, we get f dash x. So let us do LCM. What is LCM? F of x into g of x. So what is LCM? F of x into g of x. After LCM, this is f of x into g dash x minus g of x into f dash x into dx. This will be equal to dt. So now our target, integral this total value, log of g of x minus log of f of x. This relation we should write t. If this value t, then f of x g dash x minus f dash x g of x by f of x into g of x dx. So this is total. This relation we should write dt. T dt. So t dt integration t square by 2 plus c, where t relation we should write this value, log of g of x minus log of f of x whole square by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.